Hi all, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to look into the top 10 stock picks by Karvy as India gears up for $5 trillion economy. So after the budget, in the budget, the finance minister told that they are aiming for $5 trillion economy by 2024. So ahead of that, Kavi has picked 10 stocks which could give good returns in the near future and which are benefited by the budget. So let's get in and see which are those stocks and a quick review of it. So let's get started. So the stock price is as of 18 July 2019. First one in the list is Polo Tires. Its current share price is 179 rupees. The 52-week low is 174, whereas the high is 299. The industry PE is 18, whereas the company PE is 15. The PB is 1. The ROCE is 8, whereas the debt to equity is 0.49. The TTM EPS is 11. The promoter holding is 40%. 1,826 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes. And returns for 1 year it is negative, which is minus 33%. 3-year return is positive but not a good return, which is only 5%. And 5-year return is again negative, which is minus 0.87. And the target price for the stock is 254 rupees. Next one on the list is Kabra Trees. Its current share price is 936 rupees. The 52-week low is 599, whereas the high is 1046. The industry PE is 28, whereas the company PE is 26. The PB is 3. The ROCE is 16 and the debt to equity is 0.14. The TTM EPS is 36. The promoter holding is 46%. 2,575 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes. Returns for 1 year it is given us a return of 26%, for 3 years 26.28%, and for 5 years it is given us a return of 1.79, and the target price is 1,090 rupees. Next one on the list is JK Cement. Its current share price is 976 rupees. The 52-week low is 649, whereas the high is 1075. The industry PE is 39, whereas the company PE is 28. The PB is 2. The ROCE is 14 and the debt to equity is 0.82. The TTM EPS is 42. Promoter holding is 58%. Mutual fund investment into the stock is 1,625 crores. Returns for 1 year it is given us a return of 27%, for 3 years 11%, and for 5 years it is given us a return of 19%. The target price is 1,173 rupees. Next one on the list is KEC International. Its current share price is 318 rupees. The 52-week low is 233, whereas the high is 354. The industry PE is 14 and the company PE is 16. The PB is 3. The ROCE is 28, whereas the debt to equity is 0.76. The TTM EPS is 19. The promoter holding is 51%. 1,953 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns with the 1 year return is negative, which is minus 2%, but the 3 and 5 year return are positive and a good return. For 3 years it is given us a return of 31%, and for 5 years it is given us a return of 19%. The target price is 364 rupees. Next one in the list is KRBL. Its current share price is 210. The 52-week low is 209, so it's near its 52-week low, and the high is 403. The industry PE is 9, whereas the company PE is 9.78. The PB is 1. The ROCE is 22, whereas the debt to equity is 0.06. The TTM EPS is 21. The promoter holding is 58%. Mutual fund investment into the stock is also 58%. Returns 1 and 3 year return are negative, which is minus 35% for 1 year and minus 7% for 3 years. But for 5 year it is positive and it is given as a return of 22%. The target price is 403 rupees. Next one in the list is MOIL. Its current share price is 148 rupees. The 52-week low is 140, whereas the high is 199. The industry PE is 12 and the company PE is 8. The PB is 1. The ROCE is 23 and the debt to equity is 0.00. The TTM EPS is 18. The promoter holding is 65%. Mutual fund investment into the stock is 50 crores. And returns, the 1 year return is negative, which is given us a return of minus 12%. The 3 years return are positive, which is 7%. And again, the 5 year return is negative, which is given us a return of minus 0.93%. The target price is 223 rupees. Next one in the list is NIIT Technologies. The current share price is 1342. The 52-week low is 1022, whereas the high is 1425. The industry PE is 22, whereas the company PE is 20. The PB is 3. The ROCE is 23 and the debt to equity is 0.00, which means there's no debt with this company. And the TTM EPS is 65. The promoter holding is 30%. The mutual fund investment into the stock is 1,185 crores. And returns, for 1 year it is given as a return of 20%, for 3 years 41%, and for 5 years it is given as a return of 28%. The target price is 1,650. Next one on the list is Showbar Limited. Its current share price is 560 rupees. The 52-week low is 380, whereas the high is 588. The industry PE is 23, whereas the company PE is 17. The PB is 2. The ROCE is 10 and the debt to equity is 1.10. The TTM EPS is 31. Promoter holding is 55%. 784 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes. And returns, for 1 year it is given as a return of 23%, for 3 years 20%, and for 5 years it is given as a return of 4%. The target price is 632 rupees. Next one on the list is Subros. So its current share price is 225 rupees. The 52-week low is 205, whereas the high is 378. The industry PE is 22, whereas the company PE is 19. The PB is 2. The ROCE is 16 and the debt to equity is 0.28. TDM EPS is 12. The promoter holding is 36%. 117 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes. And returns, the 1 year return is negative, which is minus 17%. But for 3 and 5 years, it is given us a very good return. For 3 years, it is given us a return of 35%. And for 5 years, it is given us a return of 36%. The target price is 336 rupees. Next one and the last one on the list is Romania Turbine. Its current share price is 97 rupees. The 52-week low is 93, whereas the high is 128. The industry PE is 31.08, whereas the company PE is 31.44. The PB is 7. The ROCE is 33 and the debt to equity is 0.00. TTM EPS is 3. The promoter holding is 67%. 531 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes. And returns, the 1 and 3 year return are negative, for which for 1 year it is given us a return of minus 11%. and for 3 years it is given us a return of -5%. The 5-year return is positive but not a good return. It is given us only a return of 1.13%, and the target price is 134 rupees. So these are the 10 stocks picked by Karvy after the budget, and as the finance minister told that India will gear up for the $5 trillion economy by 2024. So these stocks were picked as per the benefit these stocks might get after the budget. So, if at all you want to invest in any of these stocks, please do your research and then start investing, as this is not a stock recommendation from my side. And I'm so sorry, my voice is very bad. I am not well, and that was the reason I was not able to make videos since last 1.5 weeks. So I'm coping up. So going forward, I'll try to post videos, and forgive me for this voice. So, as I always say, start thinking and happy investing.
Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified as we upload a new video. All the information provided in this channel is only for general guidance and educational purpose. Don't consider this as a recommendation from our side. Please do your own research or seek a financial advisor prior to investing. You can follow us even on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you.